How to fix EAFC 25. The season pass service is currently unavailable. So if you want to fix EAFC 25, the season pass service is currently unavailable, then you need to check EA server status. Visit the EA server status page to ensure there are no ongoing issues with the server affecting season pass functionality. Second fix is to restart your console and the game. You need to press and hold the Xbox button on your controller and select Restart Console option. After that, choose to restart and confirm to close EAFC 25 completely. After that, restart your Xbox and relaunch the game, and your problem might be fixed. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is to update your EAFC 25. On home screen, you need to press the menu button on your controller and select Manage Game option, and then click on Check for Updates and install any available updates. Next fix is to clear the cache or saved data. Turn off your Xbox and unplug it from the power source. Wait for 10 seconds and plug it back in and turn it on. After that, go to the Xbox settings, then System, then Storage, and clear saved data for EAFC 25 from both your console and the cloud. And the last fix is to uninstall and reinstall your EAFC 25 again. You need to highlight the game on your home screen and press the menu button and select Uninstall, or go to My Games and Apps and select Full Library and go and find the EAFC 25 and reinstall the game. After that, your problem will be fixed. So these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.